with Joe from SmartVix in Victorville. Joe has an amazing solution for us when we drop our cell phone, our iPad, or our tablets and the face shatters. And I was just curious when I was talking to Joe here, do you have any special programs for people that are looking for a fix?
Well, absolutely. If you mention this video, we'll give you 10% off. We also do student and military discounts at all times. We give 10% off. Anything coming from Facebook directly, if you like our page, we'll offer an additional 10% off also.
That's fantastic. So all you have to do is come see Joe, like his page, and you get 10% off automatically. And thank you for supporting our troops. He gives you immediate discount as well as
Definitely.
students. So come see Joe in Victorville. He'll get you fixed up.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to tune in next week for another episode of Business Community Spotlight. And let us know if there's a special business that you would like us to spotlight in the future.